Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 BMW R18B. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2022 BMW R18B with 7,115 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, TPMS, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, traction control, cruise control, and reverse. It's been upgraded with an engine guard and saddlebag guards. We have replaced the front and rear tires. Powered by an 1802cc 2-cylinder engine, the R18B puts 91 horsepower and 116 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6.3-gallon fuel capacity, the R18 has a 250 to 300-mile range. It has a 28.3-inch seat height and an 877-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and installed new tires. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. There's a blemish on the front fender. This bike has an owner's manual, 1 key and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the Cycle Checks vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile comprehensive warranty and a continued 90-day, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.